I got this new leash and I had to try it out. It is so functional. I used to have just a regular rope leash and it was not doing the trick. This one has a comfy handle. Then down here, it has what they call a traffic handle, which is pretty amazing. You can grab onto it when you need to pull your dog a little bit closer. It also has this little seatbelt connections. You can have your dog hooked up here and then buckled in. So it's really a 2-in-1. And then this will rotate so it doesn't get stuck. Very handy. Easily clips on. I love it and I think you will too.